Karen lost her ball in her limericky.
I lost my ball.
Are you
in
recording?
Are you recording?
I'm always G-dording.
That was stupid.
You're a moopin.
No.
No?
I'm sorry, you are more pissed.
You know what else you
You're
are?
more pissed than anyone I've ever met.
You know what else you are?
Horned.
Oh yeah, that too.
Or shit.
Orchid?
I'm portaged? Did you guys
Oh.
portage me over here?
That's gay.
Why are you laughing? That's so gay.
Oh my god, it's like, wow, this gay association went on a vacation. And they're like,
I can't believe you just said
She went on vacation.
What is a gay association?
Listen, I'm not done yet.
Sorry, I can't get
The
it.
gay association went on vacation. Nobody said that. Thank you.
Can you never touch me again?
Can you never spouch?
Is that Russian? Wait, what are you?
Czechoslovakia.
Wait, what are you doing?
You
Wait.
Are you a boy?
Are you an alien? Are you a Bailey?
Stop rhyming with yourself.
Are you a Smaley?
I didn't say continue rhyming with yourself.
I didn't say Smealy.
No, you didn't.
No. Gaia good.
That one.
I don't know whether to find this endearing or retarded.
I don't know how to define you cute or hot.
Or
Either one.
Or just define you in the dark.
I can't find you. Let me get my flashlight.
Where's my limerick?
It's right down there.
Limmy.
What?
That's his little nickname.
Limmy. Lil Lim.
Lil. Lil Lim. It's like Lil Romeo.
Sometimes I call him Lil Funky One.
Sometimes I call you stupid.
Is one of those times now?
No.
Okay, good.
It could be.
You could be straight. I don't think you are, though. You just try to take my pants off.
No, I thought that was your pants. I was in my head, I was like, what am I gonna say? I thought that was your mask.
What mask?
Your pants.
My mask of endearingness?
Oh, that was actually your face.